Hey guys, so I have here my Thermapen, my meat thermometer, and unfortunately the battery is empty. So when you open it up to start this thermometer, then the display stays empty. So in this video I want to show you how to replace the battery, and it's pretty easy. So we're just going to take a look at the back side, and we're going to take a small coin, like a dime or a nickel, and we're going to put this in this little slot, and then we're rotating this here counterclockwise just by about 1/8 of a turn. And now we can use here our fingernail to pop out this little cover here. So, and if we take a look inside, then we're going to find here the coin cell battery, or actually in this case this is 2 coin cell batteries. And here on the side of those batteries you see this little metal tab. We're going to pull on this towards the bottom, and then immediately the first battery pops out, and if we repeat the process one more time, then eventually we can also remove the second battery. Okay, so now let's have a look at this battery so we can find out what type of battery this is. And it's a little bit difficult here for me to zoom in, but you will eventually see this is of type CR2032. So this is a very popular, very well often used battery type. We compare this also with the second battery, just making sure that's the same type. See, we also see CR2032. This is a 3 volt coin cell battery. And here I already have some replacements. Here in this case, this is from Sony. This is some lithium 3 volt batteries, same type. So we're going to pop out the first one here out of this packaging. We're going to double check that this is really the right type. So we can see here CR2032. We're going to take the first battery and going to slide this in, and we're going to make sure it goes behind that metal tab that holds the batteries in place. And then we're going to take the second battery as well. Here also of course the same type, and we're going to slide this in here as well. And you have to make sure that this really goes behind that metal tab. So it may be a little bit difficult, so you may need to kind of pull on the tab before we're sliding in that coin cell, but eventually it's going to go in, and it's going to hold down the batteries well in position so they don't come out anymore. So this was pretty much it already. Now we just have to close up this cover again, so this only goes in at one certain position. In this case you see here actually there's a little white line here that aligns with that small gap where we put the coin in. So we're going to do this right away again, and now we're going to rotate clockwise just by about 1/8 of a turn. And now it's already time to check if our battery replacement was successful. So let's try this out and open up here the meat thermometer, and immediately we see here, now we can see the current temperature again. So yeah, this was already it. It was really that easy, and I hope this video was helpful. And if you have any more questions or comments, then please leave a message below.